Today I'm gonna share with you how to make Jollibee Gravy. I picked up the recipe from Reddit, but as usual, I added my own twist to it. It turned out so good that this is gonna be my Christmas gravy, and I'm very happy to share it with you today. But before that, let me share a beef I had with this particular spice. Garlic powder is reasonably priced and a big bottle of it lasts forever. But what's up with onion powder? It's the same price, but onion powder only lasts 3 days in my household. It's expensive, so let's grate our onions for this recipe. Now, they don't do this anymore, but many eons ago when I worked in KFC, they used to reserve the oil, or they call it the drippings. And what it is, for example, last night I made the Jollibee fried chicken. I'll have to make another video about the fried chicken itself, but essentially what I did was I made my own 5-spice powder, fry the chicken, and reserve the oil and also a bit of the crispy bits. So you might think it's weird using oil, but I've made Nashville hot chicken recently and it uses hot oil as well. Come to think of it, it's the same method to make chili oil. I'm just showing you what I did, but you really don't have to reserve the frying oil. You can actually use 4 tablespoons of butter instead. That's what is in the original recipe. For what I'm doing right here, it's 2 tablespoons of the drippings and 2 tablespoons of butter. It's a small amount, but it does make a difference. Okay, so now you might be wondering, if I made fried chicken last night, what am I gonna do with this gravy? Well, let me show you, but before I forget, I'll be providing all the spices and measurements on screen, and I will also provide the original recipe link in the description. So if you're following the recipe from the link in the description, just know that I actually doubled the recipe and I follow the ratio exactly. The only difference is I use grated onions instead of that evil powdered onions. Also, I added dark soy sauce, not for the taste, but for color. Because this gravy uses basic spices, it's pretty versatile. How versatile, you might ask? Some time ago, I found this Facebook post by William Sean, and I would like to thank him for sharing and posting this, because for the longest time, I've been looking for an alternative for loco moco gravy, and I've thought of Japanese curry, that sounds delicious, or maybe KFC gravy, but that never seemed right. But this Jollibee and loco moco mashup, I feel like it's the most perfect pairing. I hope that you can enjoy it too, and that's it for today, and see you in the next video.